What's going on, YouTube? Got me and my brother down here downtown South Carolina. Had to switch my GoPro battery out since these things die in like 10 minutes, I feel like. Oh, my bike's so hot. Ugh. I need to get my bike tuned, honestly, because I think I can adjust when I want the fans to come on. Yeah, it's crazy because we were literally up here like, I don't know how long ago, like 5-6 months ago, just walking it. Here we are riding our bikes. There is a sick gym up here, but it's literally like 70 bucks a month. I'm not trying to pay that. Hey, remember we ate there? Huh.
The fountains are that good.
The what?
Like the fountains or whatever, isn't like that good?
The what?
The fountains.
Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. Nice. You guys see? You guys see that dude revving his fucking... He's revving his throttle on his bike. That's funny. Yeah, dude, it's so crazy down to downtown compared to like Cleveland downtown. It's like nuts. There's just so much more alive. I don't know if lane splitting's illegal here or not. Yeah, this sucks. I don't want to come down here again. Yeah, this sucks. Look, my bike's at 226. My bike's so hot. Oh, hi, puppy. That was scary. Bro, come on, bruh. You want to turn around? Huh?
It's too hot. She wants a break.
Oh, I know. He doesn't even hear me. I don't even know. That bike looks old. Old as shit. You good, bro? I did not hear what you said. Go right. Come on, where the sport bikes at? Come on. Come on. Ow, bug just flew in my eyeball. Skirt, skirt. Trying to get some good pops out of her. She likes it when it's cold. It's toasty out now. Oh, that's where I saw the Urus. Oh, look at the R8. Huh?
Right, and then left.
Yeah. Oh my lord, that that R8 is so sexy. Damn. Sheesh. I want one. I gotta pick with that R8. There's hella people down here right now. Holy shit. Damn, it's crazy busy. What is it, Saturday? Wait, no, it's Sunday. Wait, I don't know what day it is. I need to find the twisties, yo. I said that last video too. What? What's right? How about left? Left it is. Get me out of there, yo. What's up, Chica? Oh, Zaxby's. I want to try Zaxby's. Heard it slap. Never gone there. I'm about to go down. I'm about to go there right now, actually. Shit, I'm kind of hungry. Come on, we need to get out some open roads.
What's the open road ahead?
downtown Greenville. Yeah, I think, yeah, downtown Greenville. Yeah, the downtown here, like compared to Cleveland though, is just so alive. It's like a party. I want to go on the highway so bad, but he can't, he has his Thames. I like how we're just going left and right because we have no clue. Like, I mean, obviously we just moved here, so we gotta find our way. Like, we'll find our way around and shit. We'll wait here for him. Sheesh. Ooh. It's over here. Let's go right. I don't know. Mason! I gotta look for an apartment too. It's gonna be expensive as shit down here though. Some boosas. Watch this fucking shit. That felt good. But yeah, I don't know. I just wanted to ride in the city to see, just kind of explore. Stay tuned, baby. Guys, if you like the video, give it a like, please. Comment down below if you want. Hit that subscribe button. Just the cruise downtown. Low-key sucked balls because it was so hot, but yeah, if you like the video, give it a, you know, do all that fun stuff. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Over and out.